Hi everyone and welcome to our channel.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to take input from user using scanner class. First of all, we will create a file. File name is input.java. After that, we will write a class, and inside we will write our main method, public static void main, and I am writing scanner. Here we have to click on this suggestion, then it will import a package. After that, we will write scanner object sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Before taking input from user, we will show a message. Please enter your name, and we will create a variable as a string. Variable name user input equal to scanner object sc dot next line and semicolon. After that, we will print this variable south input. This is plus user input. Run this code. Please enter your name. MS coding. Our input is printed. MS coding. I will explain another example. Remove this code. We will create a variable as an integer. Variable name a equal to next integer. We will create a variable as an integer. Variable name a equal to sc dot next integer. Now we will a message before input south enter first number. After that, we will print second message enter your second number, and it will input integer b equal to sc dot next integer, and we will create third variable as an integer. sum equal to a plus b, and we will print this variable shout our sum is sum, and run this code. Enter first number as a 20 plus, and enter your second number as a 20. Our sum is 40. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching video.